Hello my friends, my name is Evelyn Joy and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making an Arbonne shake. So what I'm going to be doing is putting a little bit of avocado, some 8 ounces of water, 1 scoop of the chocolate powder, some of this banana. This is 1 whole banana. I'm going to put half of it, and then just a few berries and also a little bit of spinach. Let's go. Let's try it. Just tastes like a regular chocolate shake. Tastes like a chocolate shake. Super good. There's my breakfast. Thank you for watching my videos. I'm about to make an unboxing video with my friend Janice, so tune in for that. Have a good day.